Senator Mohammed Chute to be on the floor of the House because I thought they had liars with the Minister of Interior and his colleagues, Mr. Speaker, to ensure that they are on the ground, because this is a security issue, it's a political issue, it's about many other factors, Mr. Speaker, sir. I think for the areas, and I didn't have an opportunity, since this operation of flashing bandits, an issue of insecurity in North and across the troubled region, the operation order that they have been using is of the police. And some individuals have argued that the operation order should have come from the military to ensure that, because what you see in Marsabit and other regions are tribal animosity, revenge attacks, and where lives and property has been lost, Mr. Speaker, sir. My proposal, because that's why they say when you drive a car, the windscreen is bigger than the side mirror, because we always believe that there are better things ahead. My proposal is that we need to empower these regions, Mr. Speaker, sir. The issue of education must be looked at, the issue of infrastructure, Mr. Speaker. And this is the reason we are seeing this region, Mr. Speaker, because of insecurity, because these regions were marginalized. We are paying the price of marginalizing some regions. I believe in Marsabit, Mr. Speaker, sir. If there were tarmac roads, if education levels were good and school infrastructure were the best, if there was commitment by national government administration officers, Mr. Speaker, we would not be seeing such incidences, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I remember when Senator Chute last time brought where even army from across our neighboring countries were coming into our territory, shooting people, killing them, harassing them, taxing them, and going away. Mr. Speaker, that's a very serious issue on infringement of the sovereignty of Kenya, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as a Senate, and I request that the Committee of Security, National Security, Defense, and Foreign Relations, should be in Marsabit by this Friday latest, Mr. Speaker, to assess the situation. Because we need to show people that they can have faith in Parliament, they can have faith in Senate, Mr. Speaker. Can the committee be proactive? I said before today that our committee should not behave like politicians. They should be proactive. They should visit the region, listen to the people, Mr. Speaker. I remember when we visited Laikipia, and people talk their out. At some point, you know, wananchi trust us as leaders. That's why we were elected. They will tell much more us as opposed to Ngao officers and more security officers. So, Mr. Speaker, I challenge and call upon that the necessary, Mr. Speaker, under Article 29,